So hey everyone and welcome to Physichemacademy. I hope all you doing good. So now today I'm going to discuss about the GATE examination, that is GATE 2025, and you know GATE is one of the most important examination. Uh, if you want to do masters, MTech, okay. If you want to do PhD, if you are a PG student from agriculture, science, commerce, you want to do PhD from IITs, NITs, okay, research, different research institutes. If you want to do your masters, that is MTech basically, from IITs, from NITs, you can give GATE 2025. Okay, the conducting institute this year is IIT Roorkee. Okay, so basically, GATE examination is graduate aptitude test in engineering, and almost there is 29 subject in which GATE examination conducted, and a person can give exam in two different paper. Let's say you want to give mathematics as well as in physics. Okay, for that you have to pay the fee for mathematics as well as for the physics. So here I'm talking about the eligibilities. So eligibility basically, if you are in a graduation, see, if you are in a final year of graduation, you can give GATE examination. If you complete, or if you are in a your master final, you can give GATE examination. Okay, so those who are in their final year of masters, or they are in the final year of BTech, they can give the GATE examination, they can apply for the GATE examination. Okay, so here are the some of the most important dates you have to remember. The GATE application begin start from 24th of August 2024 until 26th. There is no late fee. If you fill within this time period, you have to pay. If you are belong from female, SC, ST, BW category, you have to pay 900, and if you are belong to OBC and general category, you have to pay 1800 each subject. This is for each subject. Okay, if you want to give for two subject, okay, let's say you want to apply for two subjects, so how much amount you have to pay? You have to pay 3600. Okay, double of this means for each subject you have to pay single fee. Okay, a different fee. And with till 7th of October, you can fill the form with the late fee. The late fee is 1400 and 2300. Okay, as mentioned here. So please try to fill it before 26th examination, because it is quite costly. Okay, the result of the GATE examination is announced of 19th of March, and the examination dates are 1st Feb, 2nd Feb, 15th Feb, and 16th Feb. So these are the 4 dates in which your GATE examination held. Okay, so if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask. I will there to help you. And the GATE examination, please remember, GATE examination and the GATE scorecard is valid for 3 years. Let's say this year you give the examination till 3 years. Okay, from the date your GATE exam result came till 3 year, your GATE scorecard is valid. That means if you crack this exam and you want to take admission after 2 years, you can take with the help of this GATE score. Okay, and it will definitely add a value in your resume or in your CV. So it's good to crack GATE examination, because it will give you a boost, give a boost to your career. Okay, and also with the help of GATE scorecard, you get job in PSUs, but there is no guarantee about job, because those who getting top rank, good rank, the different PSUs, okay, call them for interview or for the written test, and after that they will select it for the job. Okay, but it is not guaranteed that you have get rank 1 and you got the job with the help of it. No, if you got rank 1, after that the PSU uh, publish their recruitment. You have to apply for this, you have to go through the interview, then after you got the job. Okay, so those who want to prepare for GATE examination and their subject is chemistry physics, they can go to the Play Store, download the Physichemacademy app. Link नीचे description में दिया है. You can go from there and directly download the batch. So here you see the alpha batch for IITJAM, alpha batch for GATE. So these are the recorded as well as live batch. It is a mixture of recorded as well as the live classes. There is a content for each and every topic. You got the DPPs for each and every topics. So this is a full flag batch where you get everything which is helpful for cracking GATE examination, and also you got the previous year question paper solution from 2012 to 2024. So I hope you will take the benefit of these batches. Thank you. Any kind of doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you everyone. God bless.